History has always shown that money printing benefits no one but the richest 0.1%. This has been further verified in recent months, which is why more and more people have become interested in Bitcoin. I've already written loads about Bitcoin since 2016, but basically, it's a statement by Cathie Wood from March 2023 at the time of the regional banking crisis in America that perfectly sums up why the Bitcoin revolution will succeed in the future. End quote. Why has Bitcoin appreciated during this banking crisis? In our view, and contrast to those in the traditional financial world, Bitcoins face no central points of failure. Bitcoin is decentralized, transparent, and auditable. End quote. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, highlights the 3 key principles of Bitcoin that will restore public confidence in a monetary system. Confidence that has been destroyed in recent years. These key principles are: decentralized, transparent, auditable. The current system is the opposite of everything Bitcoin stands for.